You've seen 3D images like these on social media. People are making hundreds of dollars using these images. Want to make 3D images like these yourself? I've got you covered. This is a step-by-step guide on how to make 3D images using AI. Make sure to watch the video till the end so you don't miss any step. Without any further ado, let's get started. The AI we're talking about is Styler AI. Styler AI is a free image generation tool that helps you generate free 3D images and more in a few minutes. First, click the link in the description and you'll be on this site. Click 2D to 3D here and upload the image you want to be converted to 3D. After that, you'll see this interface. On the left side, you can add a prompt for the image or just click Auto Prompt to generate a prompt for the image. After that, change the style intensity and structure match to max. Tick the color match and face match buttons and click Stylize, and your 3D image will start generating. While it's generating, I will tell you about Styler AI's credit system. It gives you 100 free credits daily if your credits fall below 30, and it takes a minimum of 4 credits to generate an image. I highly recommend you to upgrade to their paid version. To do that, click Upgrade and choose the plan you like. There, our image has been converted to 3D. It gives us 4 results, and as you can see, all of them are pretty accurate. Choose the one you like and double-click on the image to show in the canvas, and then you can edit and download the image from here. This is it for today, but there's still too much left in this AI tool to explore. If you want a detailed tutorial on Styler AI, comment below, and I will make it for you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. All right, see you in the next video.